Hello folks, we come to the miscellaneous exercise of this chapter 8 and we can start right away. Questions are a little higher end in this miscellaneous. So let's start right away with our question number 1. Let's see what it says. It says that find a, b and n in the expansion of a plus b raised to n. It's say on the board. A plus b raised to n. Sorry. If the first three terms in the expansion are 729, 7290 and 30375. The first three terms they say are these and this. If that is the case, you should be finding what is the value of a, b and n. So let's move right away and let's see how it can work out. Let's consider this a plus b raised to n, and by binomial theorem the expansion is nc0 a raised to n plus nc1 a raised to n minus 1 times b, nc2 a raised to n minus 2 times b2 and so on. We have so many terms because they have told us about the first three terms. We concentrate on the first three terms. What else? nc0 we always know is n, I'm sorry, it's 1. So this is reduced to a raised to n, this is reduced to n, a raised to n minus 1b, and this of course you have to solve. So we don't go in for its simplification. That's about it. And they say that the first three terms they are saying, is it? Yeah, the first three terms are 729 and so on. So clearly this is 729, this is 7290, this is 30375 term wise. So let's take right away, let's work it out. Right, here a raised to n is 729 and n times a raised to n minus 1b is 7290. To start with, let's see this and then we can come to the next expression. A raised to n is 729. That means it's a power of something which is 729. So when we try to express it in that way, 729, 7 and 2 it's 9, 9 and 9 it's 18, it's a power of 3. 729 power of 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Oh, these are our favorites we've been doing from yesterday onwards. 8s are 1s are 3, 2s are 6, 7s are 3, 9s are 3, 3s are 3, 1s are. That means 729 basically it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 raised to 6. Because it is like that, we can compare the bases and we can compare the exponents and we will get, therefore, a is 3 and n is 6. At one shot, you've got the value of a and n. So it's now left only to find the value of b, for which you can consider this. Also, a raised to n minus 1 times b is 7290, out of which n is 6, this is 3 and 6 minus 1 is 5, b is 7290. Quite easy. Here itself we can use a little common sense. This is okay, fine. B goes on the other side, 7290, 2 into 3 into 3 raised to 6, no harm. Because 6 we have split it up as 2 into 3. Now what is the advantage? Why we are doing this is, if this could be clubbed together, then this is becoming 3 raised to 6 and 3 raised to 6 we saw is 729, right? 729 and 7290 is 10 times, get cut, and 2 becomes 5 times. So you get the value of b as 5. That's all. We have got all the three values. A is 3, n is 6 and b is 5. That's about this problem. It's a higher end problem, but still we have to do the right thinking. Then we come to the question number 2. Let's see what it reads. Find a if the coefficients of x squared and x cubed in the expansion of 3 plus ax raised to 9 are equal. You have to, they say that the coefficients of x squared and x cubed in this expansion, they are equal. And if that is the case, you are supposed to be finding the value of a. then in that case. So like what we did yesterday, we should find out that term which will give you x squared, you should find out that term which will give x cube, then check their coefficients are equal, then work out to get the value of a. So it's your own consideration. So we will consider whatever that you want. Suppose if I consider T3, then by formula it is 9C3 3 raised to 6, 9 minus 3, and ax raised to 3. Oh, very sorry. If it is 3T3, this will not be like this. If it is T3, this will be 9C2, 9 minus 2, 7, and squared, right? So when we only check out for the coefficient, it is 9C2, 3 raised to 7, and a squared, and x squared. Let's stay there. We'll not go to solve it. Let it be there. Then on the same lines, we can think for the coefficient of x cube also. So we will think of T4. Let's see T4. How could it come? 9C3, 3 raised to 6, and x raised to 3. So how does that work out? 9C3, 3 raised to 6, a raised to 3, x raised to 3. They give us that these coefficients are equal. So we can write here 9C2 into 3 raised to 7 into a squared is equal to 9C3 into 3 raised to 6 into a cube. Let's work it out. There is this 9C2, there is this 9C3 and all that. Either you have everything on one side, or get it cut, whatever. That's your way of doing it. Let's take this on this side. So what will happen? 9C2 by 9C3 is equal to 3 raised to 6 a cube by 3 raised to 7 a squared. This much we've brought it on the other side, and this we've brought it here. So what happens? There is a 3 here, there is an a here. So it's like a by 3. And let's solve this. 9 factorial by 2 factorial into 7 factorial, and 9 factorial by 3 factorial into 6 factorial. Now this is 7 factorial into 8 into 9, and 2 is 4 times. 6 can cut 7 into 8 into 9, and this is 3 factorial is 6, it cannot cut directly, 2 into 3. So 2 4 times and 3 3 times. Alright, net effect. What all things are left? A is equal to, here we have 4 and this 3 comes all the way from there, and here we have 7, we have 4, we have 3. And there is a 9 also. Yeah, this 9 is not cut. Yeah, so the 9 is there. So 4 into 3 can cut. You are left with value of A as 9 by 7. That's about this value of A. Next problem, we will not do it now because it's a lengthy problem. Let's take it in a fresh video and do it, right? So that's all. Now we take the next video in the next part. Thank you.